Good morning, day 98, and it doesn't look like I got any further, but I actually managed to unpull it and start again. So the funny thing is I wasn't using the wrong size crochet hook, so I unpulled it for no good reason except that it wasn't looking right, so maybe my tension was a bit tight. Anyway, so went for my third day in a row hike with my full laden backpack, and I'm not broken and I'm feeling really good. So yeah, that's great. So for the next few days I'll train a bit of distance without my backpack, and start using all the gear in my backpack, just so I get really comfortable with putting it together like I want to put it together. I walked in the rain today, and so my Solbari umbrella was fabulous. Yeah, so I haven't got a raincoat as such. I've got a poncho if I really need it. I've got a pack cover which is waterproof, although that just means that if it's raining really hard, the water collects in the bottom of the pack cover, and you've got to tip it out. And I've got an umbrella, and it all seems to be working really, really well. The umbrella itself is also a sun umbrella, so it's got an SPF rating of something huge. So I'm looking forward to walking down 90 Mile Beach with my own portable shade. Woot woot, portable shade. So anyway, 2, 3, it's an Australian make, Solbari, and it's fabulous. I've walked with it before, in a thunderstorm actually, and I've walked in the piping hot rain, both of which went piping hot sun, sorry, both of which went really, really well. So anyway, what the walking is doing is I'm ready to go to bed much earlier, and I'm sleeping like a log. And yeah, so, and I'm full of beans, lots of beans, although I'm really looking forward to a coffee, because addict. Anyway, yeah, and making the most of the coffee that I have here. I'll have to think about what I'm going to do walking down the beach. I do have a pot of coconut oil and coffee that I'm going to use. So anyway, I'll tell you how that goes when I use it. Mate, thank you so much.
No way.
Yeah, yum yum. Today is non-contact client day, so we can get in and build websites and load up products without phone calls. But yeah,
Doesn't always work.
it doesn't always work. 1, 2. Some days are just days where things go wrong and things fall over, and we won't be leaving our clients in the lurch, but anyway, it's nice to pretend that we have a non-contact day sometimes. Yeah, because I'm giving Steve a hard time about taking clients' calls, and then I get an email and I think, oh gosh, I'm just as bad. And yeah, anyway. stuff is really nice to crochet 2, 3. So 3 chains into the corner, back into 3 trebles coming out of the corner. 1, 2, 3, and a chain, and then 3 trebles. So yeah, anyway, Wednesday, halfway. And this time in a week's time, I will be on the Tiara Trail, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it so much. You'll probably hear about it every day until I get there. And then you won't hear from me for a few days because I will have no reception. Anyway, I'll tell you all about it when I get back. And I might put up some crocheting, making a baby hat. So maybe I'll put those up timing wise for the days that I'm away. But yeah, I'll think of something. Anyway, have a good day, because I am. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Sayonara.